This is a sad story. The woman dropped off her child, her beautiful child, here. I started to draw. It did not look good. I lost my touch. I had been out of practice. Here I was at the park, drawing a portrait. My senses were sharp, my focus high, but I could not get it right. I could not do it. Eventually, I gave up. I cannot show you the result. It was awful. But I learned a very important lesson that day. Art is frustrating when it doesn't turn out the way you want it to. I apologize. You probably want to see it, but I do not have it anymore. And then this woman said this.
Her face is too long. She needs more bangs.
Crying children. A beautiful woman. I could not focus anymore. Yes, perhaps her face was a little too long. I felt ashamed. So sad. Au revoir, monsieur et madame. Until next time, when I can show you what I drew, the master has to go back, meditate, and think about what he could be doing better next time.